Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi and today I will be presenting business analytics in UK clothing retail. This this project focuses on how data analytics can be used to access and predict performance within the UK clothing and retail industry, one of the most dynamic and competitive market. By analyzing 10 years of company and industry data, I have identified key trends, challenges, and success factors shaping the sector. Here is an overview of my presentation. I will begin with the short introduction to the UK clothing industry, followed by company profile and five major retailers. Then I will discuss the business matrix used for analysis, shows how data visualization, and briefly explain how effective dashboard supports management decisions. Next, I will summarize the data set using statistical analysis, share the result of my predictive model, and finally present recommendation for improving performance and profitability. Now, the introduction to the topic, the UK clothing retail industry is highly competitive, made up of high street fashion brands like M&S and Next, high fashion players such as Primark and Boohoo, and online only retailers like ASOS. Over the past decades, the industry has faced major transformation due to the growth of e-commerce, sustainability pressure, and the adaptation of technical and automation. At the same time, the sector struggles with the thin margin, supply chain disruption, and the decline of footfall in physical stores. However, the three challenges also bring opportunity, especially through digital transformation and data driven personalization. This project aims to explore how data analysts can uncover patterns and guide strategic decision in this changing environment. Yeah. Now let's talk about the company profile. I focused on five leading UK retailers that represent different business models. First is the Next, high fashion street retailer with a strong online presence. Then the Primark, a discount fashion retailer relying mainly on the physical stores. Then M&S, a traditional brand undergoing digital transformation. Then the fourth one is the Boohoo, the first fashion e-commerce brand targeting young customers. And the last is ASOS, a global online retailer using data for personalization. Studying these five provides a balanced overview of traditional and the digital business strategies within the same market. Yeah. Now let's talk about the business metrics. These analyze both managed metrics as well as the output metrics. Managed metrics include things that companies can directly control, like number of employees, number of stores, online sale percentage, and liquidity ratio. And output metrics represent performance results such as turnover, operating profit, gross profit, and return on capital employed. These combination help access not only financial outcome but also operational efficiency and program digital progress. For instance, if online sale increase while liquidity remains strong, it shows that digital transformation is driving profitable without harming financial stability. Now, all these are the business metrics I have collected variables from annual reports. Now, the data visualization. Let's look at the data visualization comparing the company performance. First is the intercompany comparison. I took number of employees in year 2024. M&S, M&S Next and uh, Primark employ the most staff because of their large store network, while Boho and ASOS operates effectively with a strong team, showing digital retailers achieve sale with fewer employees as well. Now, the operating profit. Profitability does not always match company size. Some online focus firms outperform in large physically retailers due to the lower overhead costs and the faster adaptation of market trend. As we can see, Boho is leading and outshining compared to other four companies. Now, the liquidity ratio, it's a trend over time chart. The liquidity ratio tracks financial health. A stable or improving ratio shows such cash management, essentially during the uncertain times like pandemic. Key insights is display changes is economic stability. A ratio may be decreasing, which is an indication of growing financial risk in the company, or it may be a healthy, which is an indication of the company having good control over its operations. Yeah. Again, it's a trend over time chart showing gross profit percent from year 2015 to 2024. It reflects cost control and pricing power. Consistent gross profit margin suggests strong brand management and effective cost control. It demonstrates how various business models sustain their profit margin, demonstrates how the sector can sustain margin in the face of industry challenges such as high cost in the supply chain and high competition. Turnover chart from 2015 to 2024. Here we can see it indicates a general increase or decrease in the total sale of the retail. Note that effect of the major event include the reduction of the market by minus 23% in 2015, or the pandemic indicates increase in e-commerce, provide an opportunity to visually compare the companies that have the highest revenue based and the one which have most rapid growth rate. Yeah, the effective business dashboard play a crucial role in business analytics. They allow managers to visualize KPIs like sale, profitability, and market share in a real time, helping them make quick, adhesive based decision. In effective dashboard, consolidated data from multiple sources and highlight trend, risk, opportunity at a glance. In retail, dashboard are especially uh, valuable for tracking customer demand, inventory, and digital marketing performance. It's a real time profit and sale growth trend by being watched by the managers. Statistics summary. This slide summarizes the data set used. I analyzed data from 5 companies across 10 years, giving total of 50 observation. I calculated descriptive statistics like mean, median, range, and standard deviation to understand data distribution to variability. This ensures that my analysis is not only descriptive but also statistically revealing, consistent, and volunteering across companies. Now, the predictive analysis, moving from descriptive to predictive, I used correlation and regression analysis. Let's talk about correlation first. My correlation findings are there are a strong positive correlation between online sale percentage and profitability, as we can see, meaning companies that extend their online presence tend to earn higher profit. Liquidity ratio also show a moderate positive link with profit, highlighting the importance of financial stability. Now let's talk about the regression findings. My regression model explains 78% of the variation in profit. The two strongest predictors are online sales and liquidity ratio. In simple terms, increasing digital sale and maintaining healthy liquidity significantly improve profitability. Yeah, now the recommendation. Based on my findings, I have developed 3 key recommendations. First, enhance digitally and marketing strategy. Focus investment on online platforms and personalized marketing. Use analytics to track campaign ROI and improve customer engagement. Second, improve inventory and liquidity management. Apply predictive analysis to forecast demand and manage stock level efficiently. Manage a strong liquidity position to ensure flexibility during economic uncertainty. Third, combine data and strategy. Integrate digital transformation with a solid financial control. Retailer that adapt quickly to consumer behavior and technological trend will remain profitable and competitive. All over, data analytics should give every major business decision in this sector. Yeah, all these are my references. These are the key sources used for my analysis, including company annual reports, industry reports, from PwC and Deloitte, market data from Statista and financial metrics from FAME database. In conclusion, my research show the digitalization and the financial discipline are the strongest drivers of success in UK clothing retail. Companies that leverage data effectively can make smarter, faster, and more profitable decisions. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to take any questions if it's there.